Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, it's going to be a short one. I want to talk to you about something that has a very specific need. That's wrapping paper. Yes, the holidays are over, Christmas is gone, and most people think, all right, we don't need to worry about wrapping paper, but what about birthdays, anniversaries, special occasions? You still need to have wrapping paper. So check to see what's on sale at the store, stock up on wrapping paper, and that way when you go to give somebody a present, it's not just wrapped up in newspaper, it's wrapped up in something nice that makes them feel good. All right? Stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe, don't go out doing anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month and grow some good food.